We're here with Bosnian.
In my goddamn car.
And we got Matt in the back. Hello.
I'm in the backseat of my own goddamn car. Very nice. It has the chargers in the back.
Bosnian wanted to go for a little slide, so we had to take him.
Have you driven the car yet or no?
I don't think so.
I think it's like my first time with someone like drifting the car.
Really?
With me like at this seat.
In the passenger seat?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna do a little
warm up.
I'm gonna go look around, make sure
Make sure we didn't trigger police earlier.
Yeah, we probably did.
In Bosnia, you give them like $10 and you're fine.
See how there's like very little steering input, Matt?
It's still like, for me, that steering input caused me to spin out.
It's because I'm all with my foot.
But like that, when you go to full lock and return.
Because I let off the gas. Fucking gripped up, holy shit.
She slides.
Oh, it slides so good.
Eric, you wanna hop out and get some video?
Yeah.
Just for the Instagram.
How do you like the drift? Is it fun?
It's very smooth, isn't it?
It's like
Isn't it really smooth?
It's like, yeah, especially like with wet road, like it's
right, with the wet road. Whatever you do not run away. Don't move. Over there is
If you
good.
hit me, I will steal you.
I'll steal your organs and sell them in Bosnia. Ugh. Okay, he is from Bosnia and he is in America. I should probably buckle up.
Yes, you should. Very nice. You ready?
Not yet. I'm not buckled. I'm buckled. Very good. He's gonna send it. Don't hit him, please. I need him.
And is it different from M4?
I bet.
Like,
yeah. Sounds so lovely.
Yeah.
Sounds so good.
Like his neighbors hate him.
Oh yeah.